Hey, hello, what's up, guys? My name is Anurag Singh and welcome in AV Future Tech. And you have multiple times seen some cursor effect in our VS Code like this you can see in window. So today I'm going to show you how can you access this kinds of cursor effect in your VS Code. So let's start. Firstly, you need to go to the VS Code and you need to search an extension called Power Mode. This one you can see you need to install it. As you can see, I have already installed. Now you need to install. After that, you can go to your file and you can see this kinds of script I have already made it. Now I am gonna show you if you will do so it will not work. Firstly, you go to the setting, this type extension, go to the setting and search extension here. And as you know, we have installed power mode extension, so we need to search it here and we can go power mode into yes. So you need to enable this extension from here like this, enable and enable, and after that your extension will be enabled like this kinds of effect you can see here. But if you want to change something, so I just show you. You need to go again to the setting. You can change according to you, like this one, flame effect, you see. And if you want to add other kinds of effects, so you can again go to the setting and you can change according to you, like clip it, and you can see. So this is our VS Code setting to change our cursor, and we can see some other exporting. So you can add this kinds of typing effect in your VS Code. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and thank you so much.